Unleash your voice, the power of make yourself heard. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a very special phrase that holds great power in both personal and professional settings. Make yourself heard. Understanding this phrase is crucial for effective communication, especially for those learning English as a second language. Let's explore what it means, how to use it, and why it's so important. Make yourself heard is an encouraging expression that urges someone to speak up confidently and ensure their ideas or opinions are listened to by others. It's not just about speaking louder. It's about communicating effectively so that your message gets across clearly and is taken into consideration. In both everyday conversations and professional discussions, making yourself heard is vital for several reasons. It allows you to contribute your unique perspective, advocate for yourself or others, and participate actively in decisions that may affect you. It's about asserting your presence and ensuring you're not overlooked or underestimated. Making yourself heard isn't always easy, but there are strategies to improve your ability to do so. Speak clearly and confidently. Practice articulating your thoughts in a clear and concise manner. Be prepared. Know what you want to say. Preparation boosts confidence. Use body language. Non-verbal cues like eye contact and gestures can reinforce your message. Listen actively. Engaging with what others say shows respect and encourages them to reciprocate when you speak. Find the right moment. Sometimes timing is everything. Look for or create opportunities to share your thoughts. Let's consider a few examples. In a meeting, instead of silently nodding, you might say, "I have an idea that might help us solve this issue more efficiently." During a class discussion, rather than keeping your opinion to yourself, you could raise your hand and share your perspective with the group. These actions embody the essence of making yourself heard, taking the initiative to ensure your voice is part of the conversation. Make yourself heard is more than just a phrase. It's a call to action for anyone looking to express themselves effectively and impact their world. Whether you're a student, professional, or simply someone with a message to share, remember the importance of making your voice heard. We hope this video has inspired you to speak up confidently and clearly. Thank you for watching, and keep communicating boldly. Remember, your voice matters, and it's time to let it be heard.